Hello guys, welcome back to our yet another session in Microsoft project. So in this session, we shall look at creating a work breakdown structure in our planning and scheduling course. So kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be able to motivate me to keep sharing content on project planning and management using Microsoft project. So in this session, we shall have information about the project. Then we can create stages of the activities which will be involved. Then later we will link them. Then later we can create trackable activities. The details of the project depend on the conditions of the project, whether you are in construction, technology development, or any other field of work, not specifically construction. You could be able to use Microsoft project, but in this case, you shall create a work breakdown structure of a construction project, which later would apply tasks. So here we shall define a project as a whole. Then when we set up tasks, we shall divide this project into pieces. So for example, if the whole of the project is inserting doors and windows, the tasks could be inserting the door handles, the door frames, and all other nitty-gritties that would come with the insertion of doors and windows as a whole. So in this case, we shall be able to define our work breakdown structure here in the task name. So our first stage will be preliminary designs. So we can type in here. Preliminary designs. So when we click away, MS Project gives us duration and automatic start and finish dates, but we shall edit these later when we start to set up tasks. Now we can just define our work breakdown structure, looking at the main stages of works and their subgroups. So the subgroups under preliminary designs may include architectural design, then next would be the geotechnical investigations, then next we could put the structure design, then last we could look at the MEP designs. So we are done with the subgroups of the first stage, so we could select them and we indent them to be able to indicate them as subgroups. So when we indent these subgroups of this preliminary design stage, they will appear here, and the preliminary design stage will appear as bold. So our next stage will be excavation works, which is indented, so we have to first outdent it. So under excavation works stage, we shall have activities such as mobilization of equipment, then our next stage will be excavation works for the building. Then after we can indent these subgroups. So when we indent them, our main stage excavation works becomes bold still here. So our next stage would be construction works, which you have to first outdent. Then we could insert it as construction works. Then under construction works, we could have concrete works. Then after concrete works, we could have steel works. Then after steel works, we could have walling of the building. Then after walling, we could have plastering works. Then after plastering works, we could have painting works. Then after painting works, we could have adding doors and windows. Then we could have roofing works lastly. So now we could select these subgroups and to be able to indent them so that they can appear properly as the defined subgroups. So here we shall have our last stage, which will be backfilling and landscaping. So under backfilling and landscaping, we shall have let's first outdent it. We shall have two tasks, that is backfilling and landscaping. So we shall select these two activities so that we indent them. I already indented them, so they're already indented, so you should select them. If you try to indent them, still backfilling now appears unbolded, so we now can indent them. So that's it. So that's how we are able to come up with our work breakdown structure in Microsoft Project. So in our next session, we shall look at setting up tasks or how to enter activities under these various subgroups we've added to our stages of construction. For now, it's a bye.